Hey guys, Alexander here from Titan Agency, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can give access to your Google Analytics to your marketing agency. There's been a lot of recent changes and the iOS update, which is gonna limit the data we are able to track from iOS users. So in our agency we have started to implement UTM tracking. And this is a video for another time, but basically what UTM tracking is it allows us to track the data from the Facebook ads to Google in Google Analytics, and it's gonna give us a little bit more accurate data. So to give access to a marketing agency, you're gonna simply come to analytics.google.com, go to the bottom left corner, click admin. Under property, you're gonna find the domain. If you have multiple domains, choose the domain that you want to give access to. Go to property user management, click the plus icon, add users, type the email that you want to give access to, and leave just the read and analyze. They don't need to collaborate, edit, or manage users. So definitely they don't need to manage users, just give them to read and analyze. Click add, and it's gonna send them a notification where they need to accept. And that's basically it, guys. A very short video, but I just wanted to share with you how you can give access. Thank you very much for your time, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.